Hello everyone! Today Judy Mirana's restaurant has the honor to show to you how to make the recipes for today's menu. I hope you enjoy and make them at home. Hello everyone! I'm going to show you how to make Tostadas Enchilosas as appetizer for our restaurant. Our ingredients are tostadas, a little piece of garlic, salt, some chilies, tomatoes, these are 2 tomatoes, a little piece of onion, pork rinds, and oregano. First of all, we're going to set apart a half of the tomato. And then we are going to chop in little squares this tomato in half, like this. And we're going to put it in a bowl. After we set our tomato apart, we are going to set a little bit of onion apart to liquefy after. And then with this part of the onion, we are going to do the same. We are going to cut in little squares. We're going to chop in little squares, like this. And we're going to mix it with our tomato. We are going to mix our onion and tomato that we chop in little squares, and then we're going to add some pork rinds. Then, to add the spicy flavor to our tostadas enchilosas, we are going to put in the blender the half of tomato, the onion we set apart, about 3 chilies, and the piece of garlic. Before liquefy our mix, we're going to add some water, some oregano and salt. A pinch of it and a pinch of oregano. Our mix ended up like this, and we're going to put it in our let's mix it up. Then finally, we're going to serve our salsa enchilosa in our tostada. Enjoy!
Hello, my name is Anadela. Today I am going to prepare a dessert that consists of making a lemon Carlotta. We are going to start. To make this dessert, we need the following ingredients and utensils: blender, Maria's cookies, 2 cans of milk churn, 2 cans of condensed milk, lemon juice, refractory, lemon slices to decorate, and scratcher. To start, we take the blender and add the cans of condensed milk and milk. Then add the lemon juice and blend until the ingredients are well incorporated. We take the Maria's cookies and the refractory. We place a layer of cookies and then a layer of the cream that we mix and so on until we finish the desired amount or fillet container. The since we have the dessert quantity ready, we take the lemon wedge and place them to decoration as you like best. We also take the grape and lemon. The begin is scratching is pale and spreading the zest over the Carlotta, so that is ready. Finally, we put Orca Lotta in the refrigerator, so that is ready for a period approximately 2 hours.
Hello again. Now we are going to prepare our drink that is going to be a margarita. The ingredients are mineral water, some salt to put around our glass, some ice cubes, some halves of lime, a little bit of sugar, and we're going to need our blender and to squeeze our limes. We can use our hands or this instrument. First of all, we're going to put our ice cubes in the blender. We have to put a lot of ice, enough to do the drink frozen. Then we're going to squeeze our limes. I added the juice of 3 lemons. Here we go. And I'm going to put 2 spoons of sugar. Then I'm going to serve the mineral water, just a little, and if you want you can put it up some liquor of your preference. Could be tequila or some fruit liquor. Now let's liquefy it. The mix has to end up like this. But before we serve our mix in our glass, we are going to use a piece of lime to put around our glass this way. Then we're going to pass it out in salt all around our glass, and to finish we're going to serve our margarita. Now enjoy it. Our next drink is more traditional. It's an hibiscus iced tea, better known as agua de Jamaica or Jamaican water. And these are our ingredients. These are dried Jamaican flowers, 3/4 of water, and sugar. We're going to boil our water first. We need to set a space between the water and first of all, we're going to boil our water. Make sure you leave a space to put the flowers in your bowl. When the water is bubbling, it's time to put our flowers in the heat. And we're going to leave it in the heat for about 10 minutes. You will see that the water is turning red. We turn off the heat and we're going to let cool our water. Finally, we're going to stir the extract of the flowers in a glass of water. Add 1 or 2 tablespoons to sweeten your water. Mix it up. And enjoy.